Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about the product Sparse Gradient Regularized Deep Retinex Network for Robust Low Light Image Enhancement. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. In this process, a algorithm was developed for image enhancement, which is presented based on the simultaneous estimation of illumination as well as the reflectance in the linear domain. Different image pairs have been implemented for single image low light enhancement methods, but the primary method is to directly amplify the illumination uniformly, whether it is an high illumination or else it will having the low illumination, it will improve the illumination level eventually. Hence the histogram equalization, that is Hi-Chi, can rectify the problem if illumination and make the dark channel visible by stretching the dynamic pixel intensity of the image. Hence, by using the histogram equalization, the pixel intensity will be equalized for each and every pixels in the image. Hi-Chi aims to enhance the contrast instead of adjusting the illuminations. Thus, the result is too robust to noises, and then it will enhance the quality of the image. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of the process. This is the overall flow diagram of the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset consists of lot of images which having the different level of the illuminations. After getting any one image from the dataset, the pre-processing will be carried out. In this pre-processing step, the first step of the pre-processing is to remove the noise, whether the noises is present in the image or not. If the noises is present, means it will be removed, or else the image will be remains the same. After the pre-processing completed, the transformation will be done. In this transformation step, we have applying the logarithmic transformation to convert the pixel intensities. Once the transformation was done, we have moved on to the next step of the process, that is the illumination correction. Illumination is nothing but based on the contrast with the brightness of the image. So we have to enhance the illumination by means of the contrast and then the brightness. After adjusting this one, we have to move on to the gamma correction methods. In this gamma correction methods, the pixels will be enhanced based on the pixel intensity of low resolution as well as the pixel intensity of the high resolutions. By using this, we can get the result as an enhanced form. After that, the performance analysis will be done to justify whether our process is efficiently work or not. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure of the process. At first, open the Matlab 2015b and change the current directory. If you want to execute the process, just right click in the main_GUI.m and select the option run. Now the user interface was open. In that user interface, you can see the several push buttons in the right side for the controlling actions, and then the several axes in the left side for the display purpose. At first, click the button input image. Once the button click, you have to open the folder dataset and then have to select any one image from the dataset. After the selection of the image from the dataset, the corresponding image is shown in the axis 1 with the title input image. Once the first step of the process is completed, we have to move on to the second step of the process, that is the pre-processing. In this pre-processing, we have to just write the contrast level. After applying the contrast level, the filtering is done and then the grayscale conversion is done. In this filtering step, if the noises is present in the image, it will be filtered the noises, or else the image will be remain same. After that, it will be converted into a grayscale format. So the RGB image will be converted into a grayscale. After that, the pixel intensity will be equalized. These are all consist of the belongs to pre-processing. After that, applying the gradients. So in that gradients, the edge point of the pixels will be detected. Hence the gradient log image is shown here. Then the gradient image is shown here. Once the gradient is applied to the image, we have to move on to the image enhancement. So in this image enhancement portion, the pixel intensity of the image will be enhanced, hence the enhanced image will be the final result of the process. This is the initial image enhancement. This will consist of some of the enhanced pixels present in the image. After that, the final enhanced image is shown here, hence the overall pixels is enhanced, and then the results is displayed like this. Once the image enhancement was done, we have to move on to the final stage of the project, that is the performance estimation. So in this performance estimation, we have to estimate the PSNR and MSE, that is the peak signal to noise ratio and mean square error. These are the values of PSNR and MSE, as well as the correlation value of the red channel, green channel, blue channel of the image is shown like the bar chart format.